blockblast game tricks. So if you want to know the tricks of blockblast game, then just follow the steps. So in this game, just keep trying to position these blocks at different places in order to see where it fits the best before placing it up actually. So this is the way you will be able to find better positions for them and get the best results out of it. And always be prepared for the next blocks, because it is quite important that you keep your block and these blocks in order to get better and make a space for the next batch of blocks. I can put it over here as well, but in case if 3 blocks comes in this way, then I won't be able to do as much. So that's why I'm avoiding to place it over here, and that's why I'm again trying to put it over here instead of on the right hand side. In order to save the space for a bigger part, you can keep getting the space, and even if you get stuck, just play the add, and in that way you'll be able to receive and get the better options for you. Now we've got better options and we can utilize them. So first of all, make sure that you clear up the middle lines in order to create better space. And when you are in the beginning, just place the block wherever it fits. And in this way, you'll be able to break them quite easily. As they try to keep it simple in the beginning, just go with the flow and keep blasting the blocks. It is quite easy, you can do it, and don't stop no matter what. Try breaking them from the middle at first, and then you'll be able to create some space and it will be easy for you to play the game. So these were the tricks in the block blast game, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.